Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 17, zigzag conversion. This question is really very hard to explain. So I'm not even going to try to make you understand what this question is asking. Well, I have not yet submitted, and despite the difficulty, I'm going to submit in front of you. So this is a small code, actually very small code which I have written for this question. So let's see this question. Okay, and sorry for the background disturbance if it's coming. And yes, it worked, and it worked pretty well, to be very honest. 89% of the solution is going to come right here. And yeah, you know what, I'm actually satisfied with the solution, because this is, I don't know, a difficult question, or just I need to find the right pattern. Nevertheless, uh, I'm really happy. Question for today is done. Thank you everyone. See you in the next question. Bye. Well, a small improvement, a small change in code result in 2 millisecond RAM complexity.